Good morning, students. Good morning, all dear students. Welcome to online math classes. Yesterday, in previous class, we had already discussed about some very short answer type question. Clear? And today, we are going to discuss about the topic trigonometric function or trigonometric ratio of allied angles. Today we are going to discuss about a topic. This is a very important topic and used in class 10th and class 11th. The topic is trigonometric functions or ratio of allied angle. First question is, what is allied angle? What is allied angle? An angle is said to be allied angle. What is allied angle? An angle is said to be allied angle to a angle x if their sum or difference is either 0 or multiple of pi by 2. What is allied angle? An angle is said to be, definition is, noted it, an angle is said to be allied angle to an angle x. An angle is said to be allied angle to angle x if their sum or difference. An angle is said to be allied angle if to an angle x if their sum or difference is either 0 or multiple of pi by 2. This is the definition of allied angle. An angle is said to be allied angle to an angle x. किसी भी एंगल को हम allied एंगल किसी भी एंगल के साथ एक साथ तब कहेंगे जब उस एंगल का और x का सम या डिफरेंस कोई भी एक 0 हो या पाई बाई 2 का मल्टीपल हो. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल minus x is allied to x. First example, minus x is allied to x because we know that minus x plus x, the sum of this angle is 0. Clear? Second example, pi by 2 minus x is allied to x because pi by 2 minus x, this x plus x, the sum of angle is equal to pi by 2 minus x plus x is equal to pi by 2 is equal to 1 into pi by 2. This is the multiple of pi by 2. Thus, pi by 2 minus x is allied to angle x. Example third, pi by 2 plus x is allied to x because their difference pi by 2 plus x minus x is equal to pi by 2 plus x minus x cancel is equal to pi by 2 is equal to 1 into pi by 2. It is a multiple of pi by 2. Thus, these examples are allied angle. Clear? Because in the first example sum is 0 and second example sum is 0 and the third example reference is 0. Clear? Then noted it. Next, we have discussed about some useful tips or tricks to find any trigonometric function of allied angle. We can find any trigonometric function of allied angle by some useful tips and use of useful tips. Tips number first, proper sign of trigonometric function or ratio. व्हाट इज प्रॉपर साइन? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के साथ हम प्रॉपर साइन क्या लगाते हैं? ऑल एंगल्स इज डिवाइडेड इन फोर क्वाड्रेंट. All angle is divided in four quadrant. 0, x, x dash, y, y dash. Clear? All angle is divided in fourth quadrant, and this quadrant is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Clear? This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And proper sign, the trick is ASTC. Very important and very easy. The trick is ASTC. For four quadrant proper sign, the trick is A, first quadrant, second quadrant, S, third quadrant, T, and fourth quadrant, C. This is very important trick, ASTC, for proper sign. And first quadrant, A is equal to all angle is positive. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio is positive. Clear? And second quadrant, S is equal to sine, and its opposite cosec is positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec is positive and other is negative. And third quadrant, T is equal to tan, and its opposite is cot. In third quadrant, tan and cot is positive and other is negative. And other negative, and other negative. Clear? In fourth quadrant, C is equal to cos and sec is positive and other is negative. Clear? This is easy trick for sign in of trigonometric ratio in four quadrant. First quadrant, A as triple trick, ASTC. First quadrant A, second में S, third T, and fourth C. A for all positive, and this is 0 degree, and this is 90 degree, and this is 180 degree, and this is 270, and this is 360. If we have start in positive clockwise, in anti-clockwise direction, if we have start anti-clockwise direction, then 0 to first quadrant 90, and second quadrant 0 to 180, and third quadrant 0 to 270, and fourth quadrant 0 to 360. And we have anti-clockwise. If with clockwise there is a positive sign, and anti-clockwise there is a negative sign. Clear? And this is 0 to 90 minus x minus 180. Clear? And ASTC formula: first all positive, second sine cosec positive, third tan cot positive, and fourth cos and sec positive. And it is the first tips for proper sign. We mean the quadrant in which the proper sign is first quadrant all positive, second sine cosec positive, third tan cot positive, and fourth sec cos and sec positive. This is the first tips. And the second tip is for angle with x axis. We have take fourth quadrant of angle. Clear? This is x, x dash, y, y dash, 0. With x axis, this is 0 degree, and this is 180 degree. With x axis, the angle is minus x. With x axis, to find this angle minus x, and this angle plus x. Clear? Minus x, 9, this is 90, this is minus x. For x axis, this is minus x. Clear? First angle is minus x, and second is 180 minus x. 180 minus x. Third is 180 plus x. Clear? Minus x. This is 360. So first minus x, and this is 180 plus x. This is 180 minus x, and 360 plus x. This is plus x, and 360 minus x. फॉर एंगल विथ एक्स एक्सिस एंगल के साथ, यानी 360 0 एंड 180 के साथ, माइनस एक्स 360 180 के साथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो नो चेंज, कोई चेंज नहीं होता है. वी राइट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन विथ प्रॉपर साइन. हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो फंक्शन को प्रॉपर साइन में लिख देते हैं. जैसे साइन 120, एग्जाम्पल साइन 120 इज इक्वल टू साइन 90 प्लस 30. We know that 120 is equal to sine 180 minus 60. Clear? Is equal to, in second quadrant sine is positive because first tips is ASTC. Second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. This implies this value is positive, and sine is with 180 with 180 or 360 no change. This implies this is equal to sine 60. Clear? Second example, we have take tan 120 is equal to tan 180 minus 60, and second quadrant tan is negative is equal to, this value is negative, and with 180 no change, and this is tan 60 minus tan 60. This is equal to, tan 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and tan 60 is equal to minus root 3. This value was negative with proper sign on first tips. Clear? And this is called second tips. And third tips is for angle with y-axis in 4 quadrant. This is x dash 0, y and y dash with angle y-axis in 90 degree and 270 degree. This is 90 minus x, this is 90 minus x, this is 90 plus x, this is 270 minus x, and this is 270 plus x with angle of y-axis 90 and 270 के साथ. Clear? We can take implies that 90 minus x and 90 plus x, 270 minus x and 270 plus x. y एक्सिस के ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो के साथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो क्या होता है? चेंज हो जाता है. दिस इंप्लाइज साइन चेंज होता है, साइन चेंज होगा कॉस में, एंड कॉस चेंज होगा साइन में. क्लियर? साइन चेंज होगा कॉस में विथ 90 और 270 के साथ, साइन चेंज होगा कॉस में और कॉस चेंज होगा साइन में. टेन चेंज होगा, टेन इज चेंज इन कॉट, एंड कॉट इज चेंज इन tan, sec is change in cosec, and cosec is change in sec. For example, if we can take sine 120 with proper sign, and the trick of proper sign we have in tips first. Clear? Is sine 120 is equal to sine 90 plus 30. This is with 90 angle, or this is change sine into cos. This is equal to cos 30, and in second quadrant 120 90 plus 30 is second quadrant, 90 plus x is second quadrant. In second quadrant we have read in first tips sine is positive, then sine is positive, and sine change into cos, then it is cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Clear? And for tan 120 is equal to tan 90 plus 30. In second quadrant tan is negative, and 90 plus 30 is equal to tan is changed into cot. This is cot 30, and cot 30 is equal to minus root 3. Clear? And this is solved with 270, and this is the called third tips. And we can finally use these 3 tips टेबल फॉर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन ऑफ एलाइड एंगल। हम लोग टेबल बनाएंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के लिए, जिसमें साइन कॉस टेन कॉट सेक कोसेक फाइंड करेंगे। और फर्स्टली वी कैन टेक एंगल माइनस एक्स, एंड माइनस एक्स इज इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, दिस इज quadrant x, x dash, y dash, this is 0, and minus x is in fourth quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant. First, second, third, fourth quadrant, and minus x is fourth quadrant. Then in fourth quadrant, our sign trick is A S T C, and cos and sec is positive. Clear? In fourth quadrant, cos and sec is positive. In fourth quadrant, sin minus x is equal to minus sin x, because sin is negative, then minus sin x. Clear? And cos is positive, then cos minus x is equal to cos x. Tan minus x is equal to minus tan x, because in fourth quadrant tan is negative, and cot minus x is equal to minus cot x, and sec is positive, then sec x, and cosec is negative, then minus cosec x. Clear? This is the angle for x. Second is we have 90 minus x, and 90 minus x is in first quadrant, and first quadrant is AS. In first quadrant all positive, then all value is positive, and with 90 the trigonometric ratio were changed, in sin change into cos, and tan change into cot, and sec change into cosec. We have read in previous tips. Then sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x, cos 90x is minus is equal to sin x, tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x, and cot 90 minus x is equal to tan x, sec 90 minus x is equal to cosec x, and cosec 90 minus is equal to sec x. Clear? And all value is positive, and with 90 plus x, and the 90 plus x is in second quadrant, and 90 plus x in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec is positive, other is negative. Then sin 90 plus x is equal to sin change into cos, this is cos x, with 90 trigonometric ratio are changed. Then cos 90 plus x is equal to cos is negative, then minus sin x, cos change into sin, and tan change into cot, minus cot x, and cot change into tan, minus tan x, sec change into cosec, minus cosec x, and cosec is positive, and cosec change into sec, this is plus sec x. Clear? And next angle is 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta 180. Next angle is 180 minus x, with 180 no change. In second quadrant sine and cosec is positive, then sine is positive, sin x no change, and cosec is positive, cosec x, and other is negative. Then cos 180 minus x is equal to minus cos x, tan 180 minus x is equal to minus tan x, cot 180 minus x is equal to minus cot x, and sec 180 minus x is equal to minus sec x. Clear? And next angle is 180 plus x, with 180 no change, and 180 plus x is in third quadrant, and third quadrant t is equal to tan and cot is positive, and other is negative, and angle 180 no change, then tan and cot is positive. Tan 180 plus x is equal to tan x, and cot 180 plus x is equal to cot x, and other is negative, this is minus sin x, this is minus cos x, and this is minus sec x, and this is minus cosec x. Clear? And next angle is 270 minus x, and 270 minus x is in third quadrant. There is and 270 trigonometric ratio are changed, sin change into cos, and this is tan and cot is positive, then tan 270 plus x is positive, and there are tan change into cot, there is positive cot x, and cot 270 minus x, this is positive, or cot change into tan, this is tan x, and other is negative, sin change into cos minus cos x, cos change into sin minus sin x, and sec change into cosec minus cosec x, and cosec change into sec minus sec x, and next angle is 270 plus x, 270 plus x, and 270 plus x is first angle, we can take first angle x, second minus x, second 90 minus x, third फिर 90 plus x, फिर 180 minus x, 180 plus x, 270 minus x, 270 plus x. With 270 plus x and 270 plus x is, this is x, x dash, y, and this is 270 plus x is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec is positive, and with 270 the trigonometric ratio are changed, then sec and cos is positive, and cos change into sin. This cos 270 plus is equal to sin x, and sec 270 plus x is equal to cosec x. These two ratio cos and sec is positive, other is negative, and sin change into minus cos x, and tan change into minus cot x, cot change into tan minus tan x, and cosec change into minus sec x. Clear? And with 360 degree, next is 360 minus x and 360 plus x, and with 360 minus x, there is quadrant 360 minus x in fourth quadrant, and with 360 no change, and fourth quadrant cos and sec is positive, this implies this is cos x 360 minus x, and sec 360 minus x sec x, and other is negative, this is minus sin x, because with 360 no change, and we can write proper sign, this is minus tan x, and this is minus cot x, and this is minus cosec x. And last table is 360 plus x, and 360 plus x, 360, this is 360 plus x in with first quadrant, and in first quadrant all value is positive, and with 360 no change, there is sin 360 plus x is equal to sin x, cos is equal to cos x, and tan 360 plus is equal to tan x, and cot 360 plus is equal to cot x, and sec 360 plus is equal to sec x, and cosec 360 is equal to cosec x. This is our table for angle minus x, 90 minus x, 90 plus x, 180 minus x, 180 plus x, 270 minus x, 270 plus x, 360 minus x, 360 plus x. Using we read 3 tips. Clear? And this is table, and this is divided in part. And you form a table with rule for trigonometric function of allied angle. Clear? If you are facing any problem, please comment on my YouTube channel or message in my WhatsApp group. I will solve your problem. Clear? Please you noted it and find the table.